In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the Rattlesnake Xylophone. There are three main ways to play this instrument. The first way is by taking the beat provided and just strike the notes, like this. The second way to play it is if we take the provided marble and we place it in the center of the instrument, we can actually move it and have the marble directly hit the specific note that we want to play. You can do this by simply rotating your wrist from left to right. But to make it produce a fantastic sound effect sound, what we want to do is slowly rotate our wrist clockwise, and we can speed up over time. And it produces that classic Pac-Man sound. Or we can go anti-clockwise. If you want to check out this instrument, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.